Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more insightful reviews. HyperSKU, a comprehensive review for drop shippers. Interested in scaling your dropshipping business? Check out the links in the description below for HyperSKU and related resources discussed in this review. HyperSKU is a powerful drop shipping platform tailored for entrepreneurs aiming to streamline and expand their operations. It offers a comprehensive suite of tools that address key challenges in sourcing, fulfillment, inventory management, and brand building, making it an ideal solution for businesses looking to grow beyond the beginner stage. Unlike traditional drop shipping platforms that limit you to pre-existing supplier catalogs, HyperSKU excels in its product sourcing capabilities. Their dedicated team works directly with manufacturers to source products, ensuring competitive pricing and consistent quality. This direct-to-manufacturer approach allows you to secure top-tier products for your customers, a critical factor in establishing a reputable brand in a competitive market. Fast shipping is another area where HyperSKU shines. With strategically located fulfillment centers in the US, Europe, and China, they facilitate delivery times as fast as 7 to 12 days to major markets worldwide. This rapid fulfillment significantly improves customer satisfaction and retention, outperforming standard drop shipping timelines and setting your business apart. HyperSKU also empowers you to build a distinct brand identity through custom branding and private labeling options. You can add your logo, personalize packaging, and include branded inserts, creating a professional and recognizable brand experience that generic solutions simply can't match. This level of customization allows you to cultivate a loyal customer base and elevate your brand presence. Integration with major e-commerce platforms like Shopify and WooCommerce is seamless. HyperSKU automates product imports, inventory synchronization, and order fulfillment, eliminating manual tasks and minimizing errors. This automation frees up your time to focus on strategic growth initiatives. Real-time shipment tracking is also provided, offering both you and your customers complete transparency and peace of mind throughout the delivery process. A standout feature of HyperSKU is the personalized support provided by dedicated account managers. They work closely with you to optimize product selection, negotiate favorable supplier terms, and address any challenges that arise. This level of individual attention is invaluable for entrepreneurs seeking guidance and expertise as they scale their businesses. While HyperSKU offers a robust set of features perfect for growth-oriented businesses, it might not be the best fit for absolute beginners due to its focus on scaling and customization. However, for drop shippers prepared to expand their operations, the platform delivers exceptional value. In conclusion, HyperSKU is a compelling platform for drop shipping entrepreneurs prioritizing reliable sourcing, rapid shipping, and comprehensive branding solutions. Its integrated services and automation capabilities provide a powerful toolkit for business expansion. Be sure to explore the links in the description to learn more about HyperSKU and determine if it's the right platform to help you achieve your drop shipping goals. This in-depth review aims to provide the clarity you need to make an informed decision about incorporating HyperSKU into your business strategy.